Great, Brian Cox. I'm the CEO of Stack Infrastructure. Stack's been around for about a quarter now, and we've got assets in 6 markets and scale to deliver capacity now and tomorrow and next year and 10 years down the road for our customers. And so we're excited to put a new brand together to really meet the needs of our customers and their growth curves now and in the future. I think we did a great job yesterday discussing the Ashburn market and what makes them really unique. I mentioned a couple of things that they had delivered some supply side economics maybe a decade, 15 years ago, and Buddy Reiser did a great job on co-paneling with me, discussing some of the tax attributes they had delivered, but also the land planning, the zoning, and the power delivery that and the partnership they had with a local energy provider that allowed them to scale over time, and then also be, as we talked about, turning a utility into a service provider that was very consistent with the supply chain that we saw that's needed to deliver the scale that we have today. And then conversely, we saw in New York the value of interconnection and the value of latency and the industry Fortune 100 density that's in proximate to Manhattan and what 60 Hudson, how valuable it was to meeting those needs on a low latency and high quality cached environment. Right now, I would say that it's going to be a reinforcement of those trends. We're going to see Ashburn is clearly on a great 3-5 year growth curve. When you look at it 10 years ago, people were saying, geez, can it keep growing? Well, when you look at the last 3 years, can it keep growing? I believe it can. I believe there's significant capacity in the marketplace still, but that absorption rate is phenomenal. But what I look at New York City is it continues to win eyeballs, and I had mentioned that yesterday, and so low latency applications will continue to win here, and the value of interconnection will continue to increase, especially in the primary carrier hotels in the city. Phenomenal event. One, thank you for asking me to speak and be on a panel. Appreciate the opportunity to meet you this morning and have a thoughtful conversation on the industry and how Stack Infrastructure is responding to the opportunity that's there today. Hopefully, we're in our early days and first quarter as a branded company, and I'd look forward to delivering a track record of success a year from now. Then we go back and say, well, let's talk about that first year and how great it was for our company and our customers. So that's what I'd look to be able to come back and revisit this conversation 12 months from now.